Okay, order upper 712 here. Have you ever wondered about whether or not you can grow these things inside an apartment or even inside indoors? Maybe you don't have a backyard or a balcony, or the climate you think is just not right. These are Tillandsias, otherwise known as air plants. This is not an air plant. This is a bit of lichen on here from outside. But there are only certain species of these which will do well indoors because they usually need a lot of air current around them to survive properly. And these ones known as the grey-haired Tillandsias, these ones like a lot of light. All right, let's have a look at some more of them. Here's another one here. This is just raging on a south-facing window, and it's grown quite large. It was about half this size when I got it, and you can see it's really big, and it's absolutely loving this position. So the window is never opened, by the way. It's just a south-facing window. It's just getting the air currents from within the house. Obviously, we do have other windows open. It's growing in a pot of a rather large cattleya. There's another cattleya next to it there. But anyway, these grey-haired Tillandsias, they work really well indoors as long as there is some air movement. And I spray them. I just use a like little spray bottle here, just to give them a spray once in a while during the growing season. Not too much water. These things don't like being stood in water, and if you find them in shops where they're growing inside of glass containers, remove them. They're no good. They're going to die like that. They do need air circulating around them. Here's another type of Tillandsia. This is Tillandsia cyanea. This is the one that gets a nice pink purple flower, and this one is let's have a look at this here. So it's just growing inside on my kitchen windowsill, and it's had one plant in there. Now it's got three. Had one plant when I bought it. It's in the same pot that I bought it. They don't mind being pot bound whatsoever. This one is not a grey-haired Tillandsia. This is one of these sort of just green varieties. It can tolerate a bit of dry, not as much as the grey-haired variety ones do. And these ones, they like, pouring lots of water into the top of them. Again, don't sit them in water, and you'll get a lot of enjoyment out of these. They just multiply like no tomorrow. And again, south-facing window.